Today I will show you something that you can use in a rainy season. Look at this, guys. It's called a raincoat. You can use this if you don't want to get wet in the rain. So buy this one. If you buy this, you get a free umbrella. This raincoat costs up 1,000 each. It's very affordable. So don't hesitate. Comment now before you run out. That's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.